Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to recover a deleted channel in Telegram. If you've deleted a channel in Telegram and want to get it back, the good news is that it's not permanently lost. Deleting a channel from your chat list only removes it from your personal view, but the channel itself still exists as long as it hasn't been deleted by the owner. That means you can easily rejoin it and continue where you left off. First, open the Telegram application on your mobile device. Now, to demonstrate, I'll delete any channel from my chat list. Once removed, notice that it doesn't erase the channel completely, it just disappears from your chats. Next, go to the search bar at the top of the Telegram screen. Next, type the name of the channel you deleted earlier. From the search results, tap on the correct channel. Here, you'll see the channel's profile, its posts, and the join button. Tap on join at the bottom to bring the channel back into your chat list. If the channel was private, you'll need the original invite link to rejoin, since private channels don't appear in search results. But if it's a public channel, simply searching by its name is enough to find it again. And that's it, you've successfully recovered your deleted Telegram channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you at the next one.